not allowed to talk in
We're
Tagalog.
here to make chica.
Yeah, oh my God, my head is, I cannot take this anymore. My head, help.
What?
Oh my God.
Ano, tigang ka na mapabilog-bilogang ka.
Yes, this is my native body. Sure. This is from my mother, from my father. This is from my parents.
To you, it's like to
Right.
you.
Okay.
Yeah, this is from you and to you.
Yes,
Yes,
like
that.
to me too.
Hindi ba dried fish yun? Kuya?
Dried fish?
Yeah, good fish.
In
What kind of
Tagalog.
dried fish is that?
Oh, you want dried fish?
I know what's dried fish. It's like daing. Wow, that's so.
Daing.
That's my favorite.
Yeah, that's that. Oh my gosh, look, I'm sweating in English.
You can do it. Okay.
This is a very hard job.
Oh my God, your nose is bleeding. Oh my God.
Help, I need help.
You should wipe this. You should wipe this. Okay.
Thank you very
You
much.
can translate
Thank
it.
you so
Okay.
much. Yes, last question is for me.
Yes.
I will answer it in a very, very, very good.
Okay. Bakit yung ilong mo pango?
This is a very wrong question. The answer of that is because this is what God created in me. Yes, amen.
Pinoy ako.
Yeah, I'm very
Proud
I'm
Filipino.
a native Filipino and my livelihood.
That is the sign of a
And my I need that because I'm sweating and it's pecking. And my native family relatives are Aitas. Is that right? Yeah.
So cool. It's so cool.
Yeah. That's the reason.
The reason. That's the reason.
Yes.
Oh, next question.
Oh, no more question. Our question is for you. We have a question for you.
Yes.
Yes.
You have a question for him?
You have a question?
You want some? Wait.
You can ask him.
Yes.
Question for Baak, right?
Ay, sige.
You're
Yes.
Baak.
Tatanong?
Why you are Baak?
That's a very good question.
Why you
Are
don't
you
have-
still single?
You're still single.
Yes.
As simple as that. My role is role. Baak only.
How many girlfriends do you have?
But in real life, she has 20 girlfriends.
What?
So many.
What
Gosh.
did you say?
Yeah, in real life, she has 20
I have a
girlfriends.
question.
Yes, I'm one of them.
How many girlfriend do you have already?
Do you have already in the past?
In the
Yes.
past,
Her
in the
past?
past.
In his past? In his
Yeah,
past?
what's that? Is
Yes.
yes.
Her past and
Curious.
Seryoso, yung seryoso lang ah.
The real
Real life.
Oh, we're waiting.
Mari, parang hindi kami naririnig niyan.
Real life.
Tatlo.
Oh, three.
Only 3?
Tree.
Only 3? Oh.
Yung hindi seryoso.
Oh.
You mean there's a lot?
There's a lot more?
More?
Oh my
How
gosh.
many?
How many?
Poor
How
girls.
many? Yes.
How many?
I think he's a playboy.
Papawisan siya.
Yeah.
Pwedeng palitan nyo yung tanong nyo. Napapaya ako dyan.
Okay, change this.
Change question.
Topic.
Change question. Wag yun.
Change question daw.
Napapaya ako dito eh.
Yeah.
How about you?
I'm done.
Yeah, you question.
Oh,
Oh,
lahat na lang kayo. Magtanong kayo. Lahat kayo.
Okay.
Sasagutin ko.
The question is,
Ikaw na naman.
for 1 million pesos, you have to answer our question. The question is, what are you doing here?
Yes, you interrupt us.
Yes.
We're picking some fruits here and then you interrupt us by
Yes.
questioning some question that doesn't
Yeah.
matter.
Yes, because this is a question.
Pumunta ako dito kasi bungangan nyo lang yung naririnig ko. Ang iingay nyo.
This is a
I'm so
public
sorry.
place. place and we are free in the freedom of the Philippines.
Yes.
Yeah.
Freedom of speech.
Freedom of the Philippines,
Yes.
freedom of the speech.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Question,
Kasi
please.
ang gagaling niyong mag-English eh.
Yeah.
Alam mo nyo naman, dambil ako
God,
mag-English.
we're just trying to talk in English.
You try to
Speak in English.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, me too.
Because we're not allowed to talk in
We're here
Tagalog.
to make chica.
Yeah, oh my god, my head is, I cannot take this anymore. My head, help.
What?
Oh my
Oh
god.
my God! I think
We will
back
talk in Ilocano na lang.
Yeah.
You want?
we don't know how to talk in Tagalog, but we talk in Ilocano.
Ilocano.
We talk Ilocano na lang.
Sige.
Yeah.
You talk Ilocano?
Yeah.
When?
Okay.
Anya, Ilocano tayo ka nun.
Ilocano lang nun. Dap naman dito yung marigatan.
Sige, Ilocano, Ilocano.
Okay.
Wun ka,
Sika, sa O
Shock.
ka. Sika nga sa O.
Shock.
Apay,
Sa ka nga sa o.
apay nagbangsit isang aw mo.
Wait, because oh my god.
Ilocano lang yan. Pinakadaan yung English.
Gitignan mo kaya, tatay bigat.
Nanganak gaminti, di ba sumurikak? Stop over ak ija yung tikindaan. Nakita kay lako da nga jampong na puno ti bawang. Yes.
Bawang tangiwan
Bigat,
mo.
yakinan mo tatay bigat.
Naimas.
Kinan ko.
Oo. Yakinan mo.
Nyakinan ko.
Yeah.
When?
Kape
Yakinan mo.
on, kape,
Kan?
kan biskuit. Naang. Madipay.
Dahil tatanga
When
na.
diet nga rin.
Dahil tatanga na gaya.
Okay.
Next
Yeah,
question.
next question.
Marunong nga damag.
Damag.
Kanya mo ay kasi kamot damagan daw.
Ayan na, aso man nga
Madali
cute.
siya kati damagan.
Ay, siya damagan. Sige.
Ano ti sekreto mapay nagubing tayo turang.
Oh, sana
Oh,
all.
kitty.
Awa pa ka siya. Nagpinta si question na.
Nabayas ito. Nabayas.
Mali ka
Ang
damag.
titigag ti ado nga vitamins.
Vitamins.
Kano mga nagtiprutas nga ado. Ang kanado nga danom.
Ken,
Kan
Kanang
bulong.
puypuyat.
gulay.
Gulay.
Ken,
Ay,
wa.
madag na hilig ti gulay pero prutas na hiligan.
Ah.
Kasi kanya hilig mo.
The secret of the youth is
Ako?
fruits.
Yes,
Fruits
and vitamins.
and vegetables.
Water.
Yes.
A lot of water.
Ayang.
Yes.
Where are they
Young
going?
Sige.
They're leaving us.
Ano tikang ka rin mapay bilog-bilogang ka.
Yes. This is my native body. Sure. This is from my mother. From my father. Shh. This is from my parents. Parents. Parents? Yes.
Ano nga nagmay tayo English mo?
Sabi,
Oo, madami.
Ilocano.
Ilocano.
Ano ay gapo kani inang ko, kani tatang ko. Gapo iti.
Naganak ka niya.
Naganak kanya.
Anigunyang bad.
Sigaw ganyang.
Sige. Anya, siya
Ate,
tinagdamag ko
nagpudaw
na
ko.
suna.
Suna.
Ate agdama.
Sige.
Nakaalam ata po daw mo.
Stisay.
Atoy, naalak atoy kiniinang ko, kani tatang ko. Buwada nga na po daw.
Kaya ba ito na nangisit mo ni tatang na rin na po daw.
Ay, ang aaminin ko na talaga sa inyo guys.
Ilocano.
Ilocano.
Inampun ba?
Napindot na ka lang, ana. Napindot na ka lang.
Napidot bakla.
Napindot na ka, ijay takit eh.
Pwede ko tuloy mo.
Kakasik ka
It's so
naman.
painful. Yun lang.
Ayos lang ata, ayos lang ata.
Makapamurit ka tungtong ti babae. Takay mo lang.
Ay, gusto mo yan? Ay, gusto mo lang.
Did they just surrender? Oh my
Oh
God.
my God.
I think we won! Let's speak na here.
Yo, we have to help you. Yeah, you speak in English again.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3!